any environment, if the lines are painted to a curve, treat it like a curve. If they're not, treat it like a turn. Right there. Use that lower mirror. Make sure we don't hit that curve. Nice job. That was perfect.
Woo!
Nice job.
Yay!
Nice job. Yay! Woohoo!
Woohoo! I didn't hit anything.
That is the goal, yes, to not hit anything.
Rinse with this.
Confession, guys, I've owned my diesel RV for 2 months, and today was the first day I felt like, okay, I can actually drive this thing without white knuckling the steering wheel. I did a 4-hour private lesson with Jeff at my RV school right here at my house, and we covered mirrors, air brakes, and real world safety protocols. First thing on the list were mirrors, and Jeff taught me how to set them up so I can actually track my lanes, my rear corners, and my blind spots without constantly guessing where my rear end is. Then we got into the air brake system. This was the part I needed because diesel pushers don't feel like driving a car, and air brakes have their own logic. We went over what to watch, what normal sounds like, and what is not normal. I'll go ahead and link my RV school below because if you're a new RV owner, especially with a diesel pusher, this was worth every second for peace of mind and confidence. Subscribe for the Alaska Prep series, guys. We're doing this the smart way. And comment lesson if you want my beginner checklist template.
Same exact way.
Okay.
Line up the turns with your seat back. Full turn of that wheel.
Okay.
Look forward as far forward as you can see.
Okay.
Pull over. And drift over to the left just a little. There you go. There you go. You see when you press accelerator, it centered itself back up. Did
Yeah.
you feel that?
Yeah. Definitely don't have a chance to take in the scenery.
You will be able to whenever you